Hello everyone, good evening. So today I got a request in our comment box that please prepare a video for VLOOKUP. So guys, today I'm going to show you how we can use the VLOOKUP, how we can what is the meaning of VLOOKUP, and I will also show you one live example, and I know you guys will learn from that. And before starting my video guys, again I'll tell you to like, share and subscribe my channel guys, and please share as much as you can, so that the guys who are looking for the job and the guys who are working with the company, they will get all the idea about their work. So let's start. So today's topic, which is VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. So what is vertical lookup? It is a function that make Excel search for a certain value in the column in order to return a value from the different column in the same row. So guys, I will give you a simple definition here. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. For an example, if we have a certain data in one particular sheet wherein we have an employee name and employee IDs, and I have another sheet with me wherein I have only employee names, and I want to find out the employee IDs from, then what I will do, I will just go to my first sheet and I will search the employee name, and relevant to that I will paste the employee ID from that sheet to my another sheet. So doing this manual task, it will increase our time. That is the reason better you guys can use this VLOOKUP formula. The VLOOKUP formula is very easy guys. What you need to do, you need to just follow this particular formula which is visible on your screen, like equal to VLOOKUP what, from where, to where, who, and the last 0. I will show you with an example guys, so you guys will get the clear idea how you guys can use the VLOOKUP. Let's start with an Excel example guys. So we will move directly to our sheet. So guys, this is our sheet wherein I have the employee details, and we have employee name, employee ID, their designation, and their week off. Sorry, I have written something week up, I'll change it to week off. So it's week off, and I have another sheet with me guys, so wherein I just want employee ID, I want designation, and I want to know what are the week offs for those particular employee. So let's start. And if I'll do manually, how I will do, I will copy this Pratik, the name of this employee, I will move to the another sheet, I will do Control F, I will search, I will get the Pratik, I will copy the employee ID and I will paste it here. Now guys, this is a very time taken task. Now how you guys can do with the help of VLOOKUP, it's very easy. Let's use this formula which I have pasted here and just see what result what we are getting. So the formula here is equal to, so we need to paste here equal to VLOOKUP. If you type 2 lines, it will automatically give you the formula. Just press tab. After pressing tab, the formula itself says what we need to search. We need to search the employee name. Then he is asking us to place comma. Okay, fine, comma. From where to where. So we need to find out the details from the another sheet. So I will move to the another sheet. From where means I want to find it from the A column, from the entire A column guys, because Pratik is available in the A column, so he will find out all the columns. He will just search from the all the columns where the Pratik is. To where I just want employee ID, so I will just use my shift and left arrow, or else you can also use mouse, like press your button and select this both the columns A and B. After selecting both the column, what our formula says, comma, correct, yes, we have pressed the comma. Now he is saying who in which means what exactly you required. I want employee ID. So guys, you can see this employee ID. So employee ID is at second column. A will be my first, B will be my second, C will be my third, D will be my fourth, fifth, sixth. In this way it will go. So we want employee ID. What I will place 2, which means from the second column I want the employee ID. Who, which means employee ID. Where is the employee ID? It is in the second row guys. Okay, in the second row. Sorry, it was not the column, it was the second row. Now the last one is 0, which means exact match, and if you are using 1, which means appropriate match. So I will always suggest you guys to use 0 there. Okay, after selecting the 0, close the bracket. Okay, you guys can see this formula here also. It will be visible to you guys, and click enter. If you click enter, automatically it will give you the employee ID. Just cross verify Pratik. What is the employee ID for the Pratik is 90012. It's 90012. Fine. And if you want the rest ID, just Control C the employee ID and paste it over all the 3 column. Control V. Automatically the formula will be applied for all the employees. Easily you guys can find out this employee details. I believe this is very easy. Okay, so we will move to the designation. I will give you one more example how you guys can find out the VLOOKUP and how you can find out the designation of the Pratik, Vinay, Karan and Ravi. Again, I will use the same formula, which is equal to VLOOKUP, done, tab, what I want Pratik designation I require. Again he is saying comma, from where to where. I will move to the second sheet. From where means Pratik, I required the data of Pratik, right? So which is in the A row. I will select the entire A row. And where is the designation? Designation is at C. Don't think anything what are the rows are available in between A and C. You can select entire row there, okay? Because at the last we will select the who column. Who means we will give the number to them. So we have selected till designation, which means this designation is available at third row. Then he is asking from who means what I required. I want designation, so designation is at my third row. I will select 3 over here. Earlier the employee ID was at 2, so we have selected 2 there, and again comma, I want the exact match. I will close this bracket, enter. So let's see either Pratik is MIS or not. Yeah, Pratik is MIS. So let's move to the next and just copy paste for the all the columns, and you guys will get all the details over here. Wow, it's very easy guys, it's very easy. If Pratik, Vinay, Karan or Ravi are watching this video, so I directly given you the designation that you are team lead, you are a trainer and quality analyst. Okay, apart from joke, let's move to the fourth one, and we will also check here the week of the Pratik, Vinay, Karan and Ravi. We'll start it from here. You can start it from anywhere guys, that is not an issue. So I will do equal to VLOOKUP, and now what I will do, I will find out with the help of employee ID. Let's try with this. Okay, with the help of employee ID, I just want to find for this particular employee ID what is the week of for it, comma. Now I have selected what means from employee ID I just want to find from where to where. Now from where to where, which means we have chosen what as an employee ID. So from will be our employee ID, from where will be our the last D row, correct, comma. Now the last one is who means we required the week of that particular employee ID, so which is at our if we calculate from now we will not calculate from the employee name guys, because what portion what we have selected, that is from the employee ID. Now employee ID will be considered as our number 1 position, designation will be comes under number 2, the third row will be our week off. So we will comma, week off is at third row, comma and 0. So we will get the week off over here. I believe you guys got the understanding, and it is very easy. So guys, always do remember one thing, from where to where. The rows which you guys are selecting, if you're selecting from A, B, C, then A will be your row 1, row 2 and row 3. If you're selecting from employee ID, and if you're finding the week off, then if you're selecting this 3 column, now this for these 3 rows, for these 3 rows, B will be your 1, B row will be your 1, C row will be your 2, and this D row will be your 3. And this 1, 2, 3 will be replaced at who. Guys, do remember this point. Okay, so don't get confused while selecting the row and column. Watch this video again and again guys. Do practice with your another data, so that you guys will get the clear understanding. And if you face any difficulties guys, please do comments, please share your feedback, please suggest me like what else details you require from my side. Definitely I will help you guys, and I believe you get the clear idea on this. And that's all from my side guys, and